everyone, got a pretty easy recipe here for you. It's just an avocado and mozzarella cheese burger, but we're doing it on a bun on that low-carb bread from Aldi's, and it's 1 serving. Here's what you'll need. Frozen or fresh ground beef, and we're going to make 2 patties, shredded mozzarella cheese, a small avocado, mayo, pink salt, pepper, and cayenne pepper if you like it hot, and then that low-carb bread from Aldi's. Let's get the burgers cooked up on the stove. We're going to add heavily pink salt, light pepper, and cayenne to taste. And we're going to turn it on a heat a little higher than medium. We're going to cover it. As they cook, we're going to flip them. Once they are completely cooked, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese between the two, so it's a 1/4 cup on each one. Then let's heat up our bread in the toaster. While that's heating, let's scoop out 1/2 of the avocado and then slice it so it'll go on the burger. Once the toast is toasted, add a tablespoon of the real mayo to it. And then we're going to add our cooked burger that's got the mozzarella cheese melted on it, and then our avocado, and I added more heavily pink salt and more of the spicy cayenne. I like it hot. Then put it together and cut it in half, and this was delicious, everybody. Finally, a burger with a bun. So glad they came out with that low-carb bread, but remember, it is 4 carbs a slice, so that right there is 12 net carbs for that burger. So just be careful, especially if you're doing more than 1 meal. Keep it keto.